Well, hello again, guys. So right now it is July 3rd, 2016. Sorry, I almost said 15. July 3rd, 2016 is Sunday. It's definitely not going to be July 3rd when I post this video. It is 9:15 p.m. Wait, 9 or 8? 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's the night before the 4th of July, so we're gonna set up a crap ton of fireworks, and I'm gonna record it. If there's something that gets like too violent, like flashy, I'll try to shut it off. But let me just tell you guys, if you're like highly tolerant to like flashing at all, do not watch the video.
Jordan liked the Goofy movie. Or when we put Toy Connor used to love Jack Black.
I still do. He's just, not as funny. Cam, are you ready to go outside? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, this is Mott City. Huh?
Probably won't study like that.
Connor, in the crayon bucket.
Okay, I'm recording. So this is a spinny whatever.
Watch out, it might be shooting in the grass. Watch out. Dang, that was a good one.
Look at our house.
That was a good one.
So which one are you gonna do now? So that was Rose Blossom. Okay, so this one's called Mr. Crackle. When I think of it, it reminds me of Mr. Krabs because of Mr. I guess, Mr. Crab head. The sounds like a good one. So, oh geez. My ears are dead. So what's this one called, Dad?
Sparkling Glory.
Okay. I want to document at least every good one.
I don't know if it's good. It's just, this is probably the same thing we just did, but longer.
If it is, then... It's very odd. Let me back up so I can get the... Okay, so
Ready,
this is the
Ken?
last one.
Ken,
This is the last one.
This one spins. Ready? Watch, this one's fun.
This is the last one.
It's loud.
Let's make it epic.
Listen, Ken, look. Yeah.
And look at our house.
And then-
Okay, so we're doing the last couple fireworks. They are tied
Look.
together. They're crackle bombs that are tied together.
Crackle bombs.